Howdy guys, I hope you're well. I'm getting by. That's all I can say is I'm getting by. Life's been kind of crazy this week, so we're planning for October 15th through the 21st. This is the collab I do every week with the Plan With Me design group, and I'm late. It's Tuesday. It's a late Tuesday. Actually, I think it's like Wednesday a.m. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I feel like I've been struggling without my planner. So, let's take a look back at the last 2 weeks because I didn't put them on Instagram like I told you I was going to. Here's last week. It was a packed weekend, and this was from Sunset Sticker Co. And then my daughter's birthday week, I was sick. But, you know, we do what we gotta do. But anyway, for this week, we're going to be using this, I don't remember what this kit was called. It was something cute, too. This is from Hearts and Dragons, and it's like mystical something, or I don't know. And I doubt she probably still has it in her shop, but it's a very interesting kit format, and I got it mainly for this nightmare over here. Which is a black Pegasus, if you didn't know. At least in mythology, it's called a nightmare. But this is very purple and blue, and we're starting Halloween spreads. So, here are the full boxes. Here are half boxes, quarter boxes, some checklists, whited out full boxes, and bottom washi, and some little labels, and some various headers. Trick, treat, watch, and to do. So yeah, not huge. So let me give you a little sprinkling of what we'll be adding. I'm going to be adding some of these little cute characters. I think this might be too, it's not cutesy. So I don't know if I'll be able to add any of these, but maybe some of the wispies across the top, something like that. Maybe some of the fangs, but nothing with the oranges, unfortunately, which is going to be a problem. Because I have the colorful. But anyway, so here we go. I have sidebar stuff pulled. This is a freebie from amandakcrafts, and my ombre box and habit trackers are going to be from AB Organizing. I'm using these 3 glitter headers. It was perfect. They were on the same sheet, and that's what was left. These are from amandakcrafts a while ago. And then I have this Creating & Co. little bits of leftovers, a half box of scallop label, some icons I'll probably use. This was leftovers from Chloe Sherwood when I won her leftover giveaway last year or earlier this year. I don't even remember. Then I have leftovers from Pastel Halloween that Anna from ALoves22 sent me from amandakcrafts. Mainly I need this weekend banner, so I hope it works. It has bats on it, so it should go. And then any of the black elements that I need, I can pull in as well, because there's a lot that was here. Let's see. I have this kit that was also from Anna that was leftovers. It was a New Year kit from amandakcrafts, again for the blacks and the labels. And then I just have like functional things that I could possibly need. I don't know if I will need them. I don't think I'll need a lot of them because this should be a quiet week. It's hubby's long week, so it should be pretty quiet. But anyway, let's go ahead and plan this very, very pretty color scheme and listen to some spooktacular music while I lay down all these stickers. I will catch up with you guys at the end after I'm done. Here we go.